Come on, Harrison. Let's go. Go, Harrison.
Tell me his name, I want to know. The way he looks and where you go. I need to see his face, I need to understand why you and I came to an end. I let you go, I let you fly. Never tell you no, I'm asking why I let you go. Now that I found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow, I'd give away my soul to hold you once again, and never let this promise end. I let you go, now that I've found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow.
Look at that. Look at that.